Hello security gurus, welcome to this new lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn what is DevSecOps. So let's see. DevSecOps is made up of three terms which are development, security, operations. Security is at the core of the term. That's why DevSecOps came into picture. In the past, software development lifecycle did not put enough emphasis on the security. That's why DevSecOps came into picture. So let's see what we do in the development stage. In the development stage, we implement security at the very early stage of the software development lifecycle. We start implementing security at the implementation phase itself. We implement security tools that identify security issues within the source code, and we also work with the developers to define secure coding checklist. Then since we are implementing security at the very early stage of the software development lifecycle, that's why this process is called shift left approach, and its main goal is to identify security issues as early as possible, and in order to avoid any kind of security issues being identified in production. Also, we implement security at the operations level. For an example, if we are setting up a container registry, we make sure that only the secure containers are submitted to that container registry, and any kind of security issues that might be present in the existing containers, those are also identified. Also, if we are managing any kind of infrastructure, we implement automated compliance scans. We make sure that any kind of framework or standard that we are following is implemented across the infrastructure. For an example, if we are working on a credit card application, we would like to make sure that PCI DSS standard is implemented across the infrastructure, and we will implement some automation tools that will make sure that PCI DSS standards are followed. So that is what DevSecOps is all about. I hope you are now clear with what DevSecOps is. In the next lecture, we are going to learn about the various tools that we use within DevSecOps. So thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.